Okay, guys, today we're going to be looking at the area of a regular polygon, and we're going to be using a new formula today. This formula is area equals 1/2 APOTHEM, which I'm going to circle as being the small letter A, times perimeter, which I'm going to circle as being that small letter P. So let's take a look at this new word APOTHEM that most of you probably haven't heard before. Here's what the APOTHEM looks like. So it actually runs the distance from the center of the polygon to one of the sides. It forms a right angle with that side when it meets it. And that's actually meeting, you'll kind of notice at the middle of that side that it comes down to. So this is the APOTHEM. And you can almost think of it like the radius of this polygon, except it's, of course, not a circle, so it doesn't really have a radius, but it does have this APOTHEM, which runs from center to the middle of one of the sides. Now, the other term in here that we need to know is perimeter. I think you guys have a much better grasp on that one. The perimeter is going to run all the way around the shape, okay? Now, for a regular polygon, perimeter is pretty easy to calculate, because if we know the side length S, then the perimeter is just going to equal the number of sides times S, the side length, because all the sides should be the same length. And I'll mark that off kind of on our picture up here. Okay, so if all these sides are the same length, then that means that the perimeter is just 8 times one of the sides. So let's turn our attention over to the left side. We're going to try to find the area of this regular pentagon down here. Now this is regular pentagon, meaning all the sides are the same length, just like we saw with the octagon over on the right side. So the perimeter is not going to be hard to find. Now we're going to use our area formula, which is area equals 1/2 A times P. Okay, so let's plug in some stuff, the stuff that we know. I'm going to circle where we see the APOTHEM here, which runs from the center to the side. So that's actually going to be 6 in this case. And then I'm going to take a look at the perimeter. So we know that one of the sides is 8 centimeters. So the perimeter is going to equal the number of sides times the side length. There are 5 sides in a pentagon. The side length is 8. So that means we're talking 40 centimeters as our perimeter. So we're doing 1/2 times 6 times 40. And that's actually going to give us 3 times 40, which is 120. Now let's pause and think about units. We multiplied centimeters by centimeters, so we should wind up with centimeters squared. So our answer here for this area of a regular pentagon is 120 centimeters squared.